Anthropic's new AI, Claude Opus 4.7, is out, but users quickly noticed something. It feels a lot more expensive.
Yeah, people on forums everywhere, so they were burning through their limits way too fast, and they were not happy.
And here's why. The new model uses almost 39% more tokens for the exact same prompt.
People were calling it a stealth price hike. Some were so mad they just canceled their subscriptions right away.
So what exactly happened? Well, this price shock all comes down to one crucial technical change.
The culprit? It's a change in something called the tokenizer. Think of it like a word counter for the AI.
And, well, this new counter is a lot more generous.
Look at this. For the same simple prompt, the new model generated double the tokens. That literally doubles the cost.
So the sticker price didn't change, but because you're using more tokens, your final bill definitely does.
But is it just about cost? Well, performance benchmarks tell a surprisingly different story.
Get this, for coding tasks, the new version is actually faster and a little bit cheaper per task.
The biggest win was in something called footprint risk. It's basically how much useless code the AI changes. And check out this chart. Opus 4.7's changes were more than twice as precise, a huge improvement. So it's not just more precise, it's also more disciplined. It's better at actually following your instructions. You can see it right here. When it comes to following the rules and making minimal changes, 4.7 just scores higher. Basically, the old version tended to overcomplicate things. The new one is cleaner, but maybe a bit too cautious sometimes. And it wasn't just one test. Other industry benchmarks are showing the same kind of gains for Opus 4.7. One firm called it the new #1 for complex tasks. Plus, it hallucinates less and was even cheaper overall. Okay, so what gives? We have angry users but glowing benchmarks. How do we square that circle? It really boils down to this trade-off. You pay more for what you put in, but you get a better result on the other end. So who's this for? It's a huge win for complex coding. But for simple chats, maybe not so much. So is a smarter AI worth that initial sticker shock? Well, that really depends on what you're using it for.